definitely a unit that you need in your closet. Just come take a look at this. Come.
And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling, and you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up. You will turn me on, man, I play my song. You was
Soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
Hey you guys, I am back. Hey you guys, so I am back with a new video. We're doing what we usually do over here on this side, the west side. If I live in the west, I don't live in the west. So. I don't know why. Am I the only one that whenever I put makeup on and like I sit around this area, like I start to sniff a lot, like my nose get runny, and it's just weird. But I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's honestly so weird. So the wig that we'll be installing today is from Elva Hair. This is their, let me just read you guys the details. Actually, let me just show you guys the wig. I kind of like, it's been so long that I haven't recorded since I moved. You guys know I've been moving and stuff, so literally since I moved I have not recorded anything at all besides like me moving. But yeah, we're getting back into the groove of y'all about to see more hair tutorials, more of me on here. You guys are gonna get tired of me. So we have a curly wig today. This one feels really nice and soft. This is the wig. I'm just showing it to you guys, and I'm going to read you guys the specs and all of that good stuff. So this is what this is their curly Brazilian hair, and it is a 13x6 lace frontal. As you guys can see, it does go ear to ear, and you do get a pretty deep parting space in the center. Ooh, it's like a jerry curl. Honestly, this wig is so soft, and you guys will not believe the price. It's actually really cheap, which I will tell you guys that towards the end of this video. So if you want to hear the price, keep on watching. This is nice and cute. I love hair like this because literally you can just plane it. You can do so much to it. And you guys, the hair is extremely soft. I'm just going to come closer so you guys can see the hair. It is super, 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 super soft. Okay, so the lace on this unit does come somewhat pre-plucked. I say somewhat because, I mean, you could definitely tell that it's plucked, but it's not plucked enough for my liking. If you're a wig beginner, you can definitely wear the wig as it is, but for myself, it's definitely not plucked enough. So I am going to install it in a way that you guys can easily, like very easily, just lay your wig down and head out the door. My go-to is usually the Gatsby Blast Free Spray. This is like my holy grail right here. This is what I pretty much use to install all of my wigs, and the longest hold that I've ever gotten with the Gatsby was 2 days max before it started lifting. Obviously the air tabs do lift, I find, a lot quicker than the rest of the hair, but yeah, 2 days max. So I love it because it comes right up with some water, and it does not take out any of your edges. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. It does not irritate your skin as well. So this is my go-to, and this is what I will be using to install my wig. And you know, what I'm gonna do first is just cut that extra piece of lace that's on the side here. That way it's easier for me to lay down. I usually cut these two pieces first, and then I lay the rest. So it's positioned on my head. Also for this wig, I'm not going to be going for any specific parts, so I'm just going to do like a flip over method, and we'll go along as we continue. I sprayed 2 coats of the Gatsby, and then I laid down my wig into it. So this wet one, I'm going to pass my blow dryer over it for like a second. I lied, about 5 seconds, and then you can go ahead and lay down your lace into it. and then you literally just go up and down with the blade, like literally barely tugging on it, and you just cut it going across. Okay, so there is a little white cast, but that's gonna go away on its own. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some baby hairs, and then we're gonna pretty much style it. Let me tell y'all, this one thing y'all need is this iron right here. Because baby, the way this shit gets hot, and it just like, it just have your lace looking so flat. And also, especially if you wear a lot of wigs, you definitely need to invest in a hot comb. I'll leave the link down below where I got this one. But you guys definitely need a proper hot comb. I do not have the patience. Now I'm just taking my pressed powder and I'm adding it in between the lace there where I hot comb, just to brighten it up, because the lace does not come bleach, so you want to make it look like it's going out your scalp, you know. It also may seem like what I'm doing right now is a lot of work, but I promise you guys it's really not. This is like literally the simplest way you can install your lace, and you can do this shit yourself. Rather than having to go pay somebody $200 for them to install your lace for you, you can do this yourself. So it is so easy. And just like that, we got the first install. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Y'all know the vibes. Look at that. But look at that lace. It's the lace for me, sis. It's the lace for me. Okay, y'all, so I couldn't find my water bottle, so I had to go and wet it the old school way, holding my head over the sink. But for the like roots itself, so I did wet the curls. So this is what the curls is looking like once it's wet. Really cute, really soft. Now I'm gonna take my mousse and add some in like these areas here, just so it's like curly throughout. You know, and also just to like flatten it down. So again, like I said, you can flip this hair over on whatever side you want. Ooh, it looks good over here. This wig, you guys, is so cute. I am so here for this. Like, again, this wig is from Elva Hair, so I'm not too sure exactly what length that I got in this hair, but it's definitely between a 10-inch to a 12-inch because it's pretty short. But even if I stretch it, it does not come longer than a 12-inch. So it definitely has to be, yeah, between a 10 to a 12-inch, but I definitely believe it's a 12-inch. Like, I don't have the details in front of me right now, so I can't really tell you guys. It goes up, everything will be down in the description box. So just check the description box if I did forget to mention anything. Again, I will have the link to the hot comb, all the products that I use. Pretty much a lot of these products you could definitely find on Amazon. The hot comb is from somebody here in Toronto. I will have her website listed down below, like I mentioned. And yeah, you guys, I'm so in love with this wig. I honestly, it's been about a month, probably like going on a month and some change now since I've done a wig install, and I'm like, girl, you still got your skills because this wig looks so natural. I'm so impressed. The wig is so soft and nice. So I love the curl pattern on this hair, just like so natural looking. Like I said, this could definitely pass for like my natural hair. No shedding, no tangling. I haven't got any shedding whatsoever, even after wetting the hair and running my fingers through it. Usually that's something that always happens with curly hair. Whenever you wet it, after receiving it and you run your fingers through it or run your brush or whatever through it, you may get a few strands come out, sometimes a lot more than others. But this one, absolutely no hair came out, which I'm like really impressed about because that literally happens never. So like with every curly hair, you always get some type of hair coming out, whether it's when you wet it or whether it's like when you're running your fingers through it. But this hair, like, I'm gonna just do it so you guys can see. I'm running my fingers through it, nothing, like not even one strand is coming out. So the hair, you guys, definitely no shedding. So like I previously mentioned to you guys, I'm not sure where I got a 10 or 12 inch, but right now on their website, the 10 inch is going for $84 and the 12 inch is going for $94. So this wig is super affordable, especially with everything that's going on right now. Like, I want the cheapest wig that I could find, but at least have some quality to it. And this wig is definitely giving me that. It's definitely giving me baddie on a budget vibes. It's like, it's beautiful. I love the curls. The wig is just bomb. If I was to rate this wig out of 10, I would definitely give it a 10 on 10, minus the knots and not complete, so you would have to add your foundation like I did. But besides all that, the wig is gorgeous. You do get a pretty deep parting space. So this is a really fast and easy way to lay down your wigs, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want more videos like this, comment down below and let me know. Comment down below and let me know how you guys feel on this unit. If you have not subscribed already to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!